What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is the Average Tech Guy, and we are going to be doing another case review today, or rather a set of case reviews. I'm going to be letting you know what are the best 10 cases that you can get for the iPad Pro 11 that won't break your bank. Let's check them out. So we're not going to be doing these cases in any specific order. I just have 10 that I think are some of the most economic, some of the best prices for the iPad Pro cases. Let's get started with these two. These are both from ZToTop. They are very minimalistic cases. Now, we like protection on cases, and people are going to slam me for this. These are not protective at all. They're going to protect the front from getting scratched up, and they're going to protect the back from getting scratched up, but they are not going to protect against falls. These are ZToTop magnetic cases, very minimalistic, and basically it's just a magnet. It's going to stick to the magnets in the back of the iPad, and that's it. You got a magnetic front, you got a magnetic back, you actually have auto sleep wake, and you're able to carry your pencil on the top. You have microfiber lining that goes for both of these. So these are two of the most minimalistic cases that you can get for the iPad, and these are two that are not going to break the bank. You can get both of these cases for under 20 bucks. Next, we're going to be looking at two cases that I have here. These are by the company ProCase. Now, the first one is a ProCase with a pencil holder, and the second one is a ProCase Vintage. Has a little magnetic strip that runs along here. It's going to allow that to snap shut. Let's get them tried on and let's see how they look. Now, I've done reviews on both of these cases before, but these are two cases that you can actually get that are going to be under 20 bucks. As far as the one with the pencil holder goes, pencil holder right there on the outside, pencil goes there. It's nice, snug, and it is protected. Auto sleep wake and microfiber lining. This case is going to run you $18.99. Has a nice hard back and rubberized edges, so it's not going to get hurt. It's not as minimalistic as the ZToTop, so you do have some protection. So this is a good case that you can pick up that won't break your bank. Next case is the Vintage Stand Folio. Now, as far as this one goes, you're going to lift up this little Velcro piece, slide this in just as so, all the way over, and then put that piece back behind there, and you are good to go. Magnets are going to hold that shut. You can actually charge your pencil on the go. There's no protection on the outside, but you can use this to hold that pencil in there. Everything looks nice. It's nice and padded, hard on the back, has a pocket in the front for papers, anything of that sort. It's a really good buy, and you can pick this one up for $8.99. So these are two more cases that you can get for the iPad Pro 11 that won't break the bank. So when you talk about iPad Pro 11, it's a very slim device. It had a whole bending issue going on with it. You want protection. Boom. There you go. This is the Unicorn Beetle Pro by Subcase with, you guessed it, pencil holder attached to it. Now, with your Unicorn Beetle, you just peel the front off. It does come with a glass in the front. It comes not a glass, but a plastic screen in the front. I opted to actually take mine out because I have a screen protector on my iPad. I have a Skinomi Tech glass on there. You're going to snap that front on just like that. You're going to drop it down in here. Now you have this hard rubberized TPU, hard front on it, hard back on it, nice rubberized pencil drops in just like that. It supports charging of that pencil. On the back, you actually get a kickstand as well, just like that. Different orientation, and you stand it up, actually type on it as well. So entertainment, and then you get a typing mode as well if you flip it over. And as far as portrait, it will stand, but I wouldn't trust it so much in that mode. But this is the Unicorn Beetle Pro by Subcase. When you talk protection for your iPad, this is going to be one of the most protected that you can get. And with that tech glass on the screen as well, you get a double layer of protection. This case is going to run you 29 bucks. The Poetic brand has been around for just a little while, and this one is no exception. This is the Poetic Folio. You can pick this up for about 15 bucks. Now, it's very minimalistic as some of the other cases that I actually talked about. It has another one of those Velcro straps. You're just gonna slide your tablet in. Now, these are very easy to use. So the Poetic Folio, once you get the tablet in, this is what it's going to look like. Auto sleep wake is one of the greatest features on this, as well as Apple Pencil charging. Now, everything else is pretty minimalistic and pretty self-explanatory. You have a rubber band that's going to hold that for you. You're not going to have to worry about the end flapping open. You get an actual couple of standing modes with this tablet. Using this flap on the back, you're going to put that there. That's your entertainment mode, just like so. And then to flip it over, you get your actual typing mode as well. So 2 orientations that you have. With the combination of this strap, it's going to make a good addition to anybody's collection. Now, it's not extremely rugged, extremely protective as the other cases that may be out, but it is a good buy for 15 bucks, and it's not going to break your wallet. This is the Poetic Folio. So another company that I appreciate is Targus. Now, Targus has actually made several different variations of these iPad cases since the iPad Pro 11 has come out. These are the newest ones. This is the Pro Tek Rotation, and this is the VersaView. Now, both of these are not that heavy. They do add a little bit of bulk, but they're not as heavy as some of the other cases that I have had. They offer a hard TPU, rubberized TPU. They offer hard fronts, so as not to damage your device. The rubberized edges really help if you drop your iPad. They just kind of snap on and over. And once you snap it closed, that's it. Only drawback to these devices is they don't do auto sleep wake. That's one of the biggest drawbacks with these Targus devices. Now, with that being said, these devices do go on sale from time to time, and you'll be able to pick up one of these for probably about 20 bucks or so. They're a little tougher to find sometimes. Most of the time, you can either pick them up on Amazon or get them at Best Buy. They're pretty decent cases though. They're not going to break the bank. You can actually get the Pro Tek, which is the other one that I just had on, the Pro Tek. You can get it for about 30 bucks. And the VersaView, you can pick this one up right here for about 20 bucks. One of the biggest features about this one, the VersaView, is the ability to be able to swivel it around. Now, it has nice hard edges as well, and it has a clasp on the front. The other one has a clasp that goes around the back. This one is a little more protective. Has a hand strap on the inside, so when you fold it back, you'll actually be able to hold it steady. The flap does not hold that shut, so you're going to be able to use your hand to just hold that. But these cases are not that expensive. They're going to be pretty decent. So these are 2 cases that you can pick up from Targus, both for the iPad Pro 11. Both are not going to break the bank. And last but not least, this is from Fenty. Now, Fenty is known for these wild cases, these colors, these galaxy type cases, these flowery type cases. They're known for these. They have tons of these. They even have a notebook style, the old composition notebook. You can go and check that out. I'm going to leave links below to all this stuff, but these cases are not going to break your wallet. Now, if you notice, both of these actually have hardbacks, or that one has a hard back, that one has a hard back. So you got 2 hard backings in both of these cases. This style right here is going to cost you about 14 bucks. This folio style over here is going to cost you about 8 bucks. iPad really has no complaints with sitting down in here. I actually have it upside down. Flip that over. It just snaps in and voila, shuts. auto sleep wake, one of the biggest features I always look for. Now the only cases that I have reviewed out of this bunch that don't have auto sleep wake would be the ones from Targus. They don't support the auto sleep wake, so just keep that in mind. And this one as well, you're just gonna drop your iPad in. Boom. Auto sleep wake is on deck and is ready to go. So as I mentioned, this one that you can get, the case is $14.99 and the folio style is gonna be $7.99. Both of these are from the company Fenty. So there you go, guys. I have 10 cases here that we went over, from the company's Pro case to Sub case to Poetic, Targus, ZToTop, Fenty. 10 cases that are not going to break the bank for that iPad Pro 11. We know this is an expensive device and these cases can go up to the hundreds. So if you want protection, you know you're gonna have to shell out that money. But if you just need something to get you by, something that's not gonna be as protective, but still keep you in the range of, if I drop my tablet, it may not break, or it should not break. If you want something that's gonna keep you in that range, I mean, these magnetic cases won't. It's gonna break if you drop it in this. But some of these other ones may stand a chance against the breakage. They're not those big armory type shell cases, but they're not as bulky either. So these are great cases that you can get. I'm gonna leave links below to all these cases so you can go and check them out for yourself. I hope this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.